walang ganitong factor ng 2012 Corona impeachment trial, yung power ng social media, specifically yung pressure coming from the trolls, yung mga disinformation agents. Paano kayo naghahanda dyan as a prosecution team? Dahil sigurado ko, ngayon pa lang, marami na nang babasya nyo at yung magkakaroon litigation in public, diba, on social media. How are you preparing to deal with that?
Ang totoo naman, wala naman nung nagbago from yesterday, today, which is the time when the trial court convened, and I'm quite certain in the next couple of days, it will be the same type of troll operations, no, that will be undertaken against the entirety of the House Prosecution Panel. So, sa totoo lang ho, we're focused on the case, and we will present it before the impeachment court, and the public will be able to witness kung alin po sa mga partido, defense or prosecution, yung po nga nagsabi po ng totoo.
Pero may preparasyon na ba kayo pagdating sa messaging, sa communication aspect? May pagpa-practice na ba? Kasi you're not just dealing with the senator judges not just with the people in the gallery, but people who will be watching as it unfolds.
Well, siguro yung paghahanda po namin dito ay katulad ng binanggit mo, syempre, we're not just talking to the senators, judges, or to the impeachment court, kundi kausap po ang kabuuan po ng bayan. So, hanggat maaari po na ang pagtatanong at ang pagsasagot ay nasa ginagamit po ng Pilipino, yun po yung gagawin po natin para maunawaan po ng mas malaking bahagi ng ating pong mga kababayan.
Paano pala yung hatian nyo? 11 kayo sa House Prosecution Team, no? 4 yung articles of impeachment. Paano yung assignment?
May pagtatakda naman na po ng mga assignments. So for example, I can speak for myself. I think assigned po ako for unexplained wealth and confidential funds misuse. So lahat po ng mga 11-person na panel ay meron na rin po kanya-kanyang mga assignments. No? Pero hindi po yan equally divided between the articles. No? Kasi for example, mas malaki po yung listahan ng mga ebidensya at witnesses. For example, for unexplained wealth as against yung pong threats against the president. So, mas maliit po yung bilang ng mga assigned prosecutors po doon.
Ilan kayo doon sa unexplained wealth tsaka sa confidential fund?
For unexplained wealth, I think meron pong mga 7 na mga prosecutors po. Kasi we have to discuss yung pong AMLAC report, we have to discuss yung SEC documents, BIR documents, and each and every particular witness po in that impeachment article.
May kaba ka ba, Congressman? Kahit papaano?
Wala naman. May kabala ako, baka mautal ako.
Nakita ko kasi yung pinost mo yung picture mo ng bata ka. Sabi mo, galingan mo bata. The moment the members of the House Prosecution Team were named. Walang kaba.
Hindi naman. Siyempre meron kaba. Pero mas yung kaba ko kung mautal lang ako habang nagsasalita.
Okay. Nga pala, sino ba yung head, no? Baka na-miss ko lang. Sino yung head ng prosecution team? It's Congresswoman Jervil?
Hindi ko kasi required to state who the lead prosecutor is, no? But I think everyone is actually, of course, everyone acknowledges that the House Chair for Justice is the lead prosecutor. Kasi siya naman po talaga yung nag-shepherd, no? Ito pong impeachment proceedings from beginning towards this point. No? So, most definitely, si Chair Jervil po yung lead prosecutor po natin.
Kasi I remember nung 2012, meron pa yung House Prosecution Team na I think impeachment manager. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, si Belmonte. Former Speaker Belmonte. Di ba? Meron ba kayong ganun din?
Meron po mga ganyan maitatakda, and officially, hopefully we will be able to present all of them hopefully within the week or the next 2 weeks. No? So, yung pong hanay ng mga private prosecutors, yung pong impeachment manager, yung pong iba pang mga House members, no, supporting the impeachment, and mga tagapagsalita.
Sino-sino na pala yung mga tagapagsalita nyo? I think meron nung napangalanan na isa at least, no? Tama ba?
Well, si Congresswoman Rene, pinanggit niya kanina na isa ho siya doon sa mga napili o napipisil na mga tagapagsalita. Wala naman ako objection. Magaling naman pong abogada. Si Kong Rene, galing naman siya sa UP College of Law. So I think she would be a good addition to the spokespersons list of the House.
Sino pa ibang kinoconsider?
Well, I think yung mga very active din po during the course of the proceedings, no? So, for example, sina Congressman Zia Alonto Adyong, no, is being considered as well. Si Deputy Speaker Janet Garin is being considered as well, no? So, hopefully, the full list will be announced, no, within this week or next week.
Okay, how about your house, yung private prosecutors, ilan yung kukunin nyo o kinuha nyo na?
Hopefully we'll be able to disclose the initial list this week kasi marami kong talaga nagvo-volunteer na mga private prosecutors na gusto po nga tumulong, no, on each and every article of impeachment. Pero I think kasama ho dyan si Attorney Lorna Capunan, no? Kasi
Yes, oo.
I think very active naman na ho siya on the impeachment discussions as early as last year. So I'm quite certain that she will be engaged as part of the private prosecutors list.
As far as you know, tulad ba nung corona impeachment trial ng 2012, pwede ring humarap, no? Yung mismong private prosecutors, yung magtanong, mag-cross-examine. Kasi ganoon yung nangyari last time eh.
Tama po yan. I think as far back as the Estrada impeachment,
2001.
yung po mga private prosecutors, kahalinhinan niya po yung public prosecutors in undertaking yung pong trial itself. No? So, pwede din sila mag-direct, pwede sila mag-cross, at mag-make po ng motions before the impeachment court.
Okay. Finally, Attorney Ridon, ikaw personally, how are you preparing for this? Kasi, kunwari, si Senator Jinggoy, nag-post ang picture niya noong isang araw na binabasa niya yung articles of impeachment. Magkakapatong na gano'n. Alam ko mga abogado kayo, no? Pero syempre, meron pa rin preparation, di ba? Nare-refresh yung utak nyo doon sa impeachment rules, di ba? Rules of the Senate, etc., etc. How are you preparing for this?
Syempre, binabasa ho namin talaga yung articles of impeachment, no? Na halos araw-araw na ho namin pinapasadahan po yung mga particular na detalye. Kasi, ang totoo po talaga, mahirap po magkamali. I think this is one of the most difficult trials, no, na pwede hong pasukin kasi like what people have been stating, this is not just a legal proceeding, this is also a political proceeding. So I don't think anyone, even the defense panel, cannot afford to make a mistake at this point, no? So kung ano ho yung mailalatag po namin ebidensya, hopefully we'll be able to convince senators, judges, and everyone doon po sa kaso po namin.